We discussed in our previous video, we have decided that above this level, if market comes, we have to look for buying opportunities, and in here we have to see whether it gives a breakout or a breakdown, and in half quantity we have to take on the opposite side of the trade, and below this level we can short in full quantity, and we have achieved huge points from here to here. This was first target 73 pips, that 138 pips, that's huge. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. So below this level market stays, then we can look for shorting opportunities, but take in half quantity, because the thing is it has traveled already much, so it's better to take in half quantity. And if it moves above this level, then too you have to take in half quantity, because the trend is on the downside. And once it gives a breakdown below this level, a bearish pattern or something else which is bearish in nature, then you can take in full quantity. And we had discussed on weekly basis also that below this level there are very high chances that market may reach 153, but it has crossed that also, so that's a good thing. We have to look for any sign of bullishness, and if it comes or market stays, then too we have to wait until and unless it gives a breakout above this level. Okay, so same in Euro USD also, I told that below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. This whole zone was a no trade zone. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and above this area we have to look for scalp opportunities if you want to trade necessarily. And only above this level we can look for buying opportunities, and we got one. This was the first target, and above that also it went, but it gave us 37 pips and furthermore, and all the targets it had taken resistance. It has worked perfectly. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level you can, and if it crosses above this level, then to next target is this, and this will be a no trade zone because this is a very confusing area. And if it comes below this level, then you can look for again buying opportunities. This whole zone will be a buying opportunity zone. Same in GBPUSD also, this whole zone was a no trade zone. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, nothing such that happened. And above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and first target was this 41 pips, and furthermore it has given us good targets. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. This have been modified. So below this level now it is coming, so let's avoid it. We can look for buying opportunities once it gives a bullish pattern in here. This will be a target, and in here we have to look whether it is staying or getting downside, or above this level it is coming or giving breakout, then we have to look for buying opportunities. In here we have to look for buying opportunities, if in here a sudden down move comes, we can expect a V-shaped recovery. So in Bitcoin, what we have decided, what we are trading. So in Bitcoin, what we had decided was above this level, we can look for buying opportunities. It's better not to trade in this area, because you can see it went in our direction and then gave completely downside move. That's why I told you to scalp in this zone, and this will be a no trade zone still. And above this level, I told that this is a buying area and we should look for buying opportunities, and an entry in here also. So still now, no stop losses have been hit. And now we will be looking for it, if it moves or not, whether it moves or not. And if it continues in our direction, we'll exit in here only. Until then, we can trail SL to cost also. So analysis remains same, nothing major, nothing new. So gold has performed exceptionally. Above this level, we have to look for buying opportunities, and in here we have achieved easily 640 pips. And furthermore, modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been modified, and it's better. You can look for buying opportunity in here, or wait for a bullish pattern to form, and then you can look for buying opportunities. In here, you can look for a V-shaped recovery once it gives a sudden down move. But it's better if you want to short, you can short in half quantity. But in here, you have to look for buying opportunities still. Okay. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.